friends, how are you? Welcome to our lecture today. In this video guide, I will show you that in easy way that how we can configure, how we can enable the SNMP in our Cisco switch, right? So I have SolarWind NMS and I have a Cisco switch. So we need to configure the SNMP so that we can monitor our switch links up, links down. So we can need to monitor our switch. So in this tutorial guide, I will show you that how we can easily configure SNMP in our Cisco switch. So let's get started. First, we need to log into our Cisco switch with admin credentials. We have logged into our switch. You just need to copy paste the command, right? If you did not know very well, so we need to config terminal, right? So wait a second. So I have disabled the SNMP, previous SNMP service trap. So no snmp-server enable trap. So this is the command. So now we are moving forward. SNMP server community BSS HO101 read only, right? So this is the command. So next we will configure snmp-server host 192.168.0.143. 0.143 is over SNMP server, right? Which is in my case SolarWind, right? So version 2 we will working on right now. Version 2c BSS 101 is over string, community string. So snmp-server enable traps. So this will command enable the traps. It will configure the link down, link up, coldstart. It will configure that if switch will restart, it will trigger the alarm. Links will restart, it will trigger the alarm, right? So link down, link up, coldstart, warmstart, right? And in the last snmp server enable traps, it will enable all traps, right? So snmp server enable config. So these are command I will show you in the video description. Don't worry about that. So we have one more command, snmp server enable trapped envmon, right? So all command end. In the last we will save the configuration wr. So show running include show run, and you can also show run include snmp. So it will show our current configuration settings that we did earlier, right? So in the last section you can see that the host strings and settings that we did in the configuration. So now we are moving on the NMS. In my case, my NMS server is SolarWind, and version 2 and community string will be BSS HO101. I put my IP address 5.39, right? So test the connectivity. 5.39 is my switch management IP address. It will search out and test is successfully done. And next we will click on the next. You have on your NMS, I have my SolarWind latest version, but the procedure and the concept is the same. If you are Zabbix, if you are PRTG or whatever you have, the concept will be same, right? So I just show you the extra steps so that you can fully understand about that. So it will take some time. It will searching the resources depending upon your network, local network speed. So it will take some time in the very first time. So it's extract the all interfaces information and click next. Right. It will sending the UNDP folder request, add UTP ports, next. Here I can change its name, and if I don't want to change anything, we can also click on add nodes, right? So now nodes was successfully added, so that way it's easily added, and now it will appear in the details section. You can see that the node is up. Node is up. US CPU, RAM, everything it's visible now. So that way, that easily we can configure the NMS. We can configure over switch, and we can monitor over switch in our snmp server, right? I have SolarWind, you have your own server, but the procedure is same. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Take care.